English ka ngayon.
Mag-i-English
Isang
ako
ko, nakatira ko nila.
Okay. Oh, what's the problem?
Okay, what it is, basically, a few years ago, the
Yes.
problem with my sciatica nerve
Okay.
and my back, my lower what you call spine. I was put in traction.
Okay.
Started out being every single day for about a month. Just traction.
Who did it to you?
I says, no, this was it's just the curvature of the spine, etc. Okay, it was in Bangkok. It's when I was working in Thailand.
Okay.
Thai
massage.
Difficult pain. I went to the hospital. They took an X-ray and they.
Where's your files? Where's your
I
X-ray?
don't have X-rays.
You don't have-
But what's
Meron,
happened?
and
Sorry,
the-
what happened? What happened? Right, was that basically they put me in traction, and it started out being every single day.
You can walk now.
Yes,
But you see.
but
Kan may
What-
kaiga siya,
Yeah, what-
mister eh. Dun siya
see,
sumasakit.
can run. Okay,
Okay, good. Okay, sit down.
What the problem is?
The problem is-
The problem is
It's like
that what happens is during the day and when I'm
It's
walking
okay.
around, even sitting like this, it's
Mm.
fine. The minute I go to bed and
Yeah,
lie
that's the
flat,
time.
what happens is if I have to put my if I put my body 180 degrees flat,
Okay.
right, what happens is up here,
Mm.
I feel tension.
Okay.
It's tighter. Also,
If you lay down in the bed,
Yeah.
yes.
you feel irritation
I
or pain.
can't sleep.
Oh, don't lay in the bed.
No, but then, no, but what?
Lakad ngayon
but
eh,
what
kailangan
happens-
lakad ng lakad.
Okay. Eh, dun siya komportable eh. Pag
Oh,
umiga
yeah.
sa bed, dun siya
Oh,
nag-aakit
yeah,
naman.
no, but-
Eh, ang sagot dyan, huwag siya umiga.
That's
Nandun sa matutulog.
Siya na nakaupo lang, mister.
that is if I want to go to sleep.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
I can't go to sleep. So what I do is I end up
Yeah.
basically getting up at night.
Kakaiba yung ano nito ah. Kakaiba yung
Kaya nga eh.
kakaiba yung case nito.
Sit like
Kasi
this.
kung kailan siya nakapahinga,
Doon.
kung kailan siya nakalatag na yung buong, kumbaga yan yung pinakapahinga natin, nakalatag yung buong katawan, mas komportable.
Hindi.
Mas komportable siya, nakita niyo naman, ang gilas niya, nakakaganon siya, nakaka-jump siya, magilas siya. Kailangan natin ng ano nito ah, ano ko to, first time ako makaka-encounter ng ganitong case, pagka
Kaya nga
naka,
eh.
meron kasing tinatawag na ano,
Spontaneous.
spondylitis. Pero ankylosing spondylitis. Pag nakahiga siya, nagkakaroon ng pressure kasi lumalatag ng ganun, kaya naghahatakan. Kaya sabi niya pag gumaganon siya,
Hindi parang
Masakit.
ini-stretch daw.
hindi pala to hindi pala to first time ko na encounter. Pero syempre kailangan ko makita yung ganito. Ito nakabukol yung ano niya.
Dati dyan siya may mga shoulder
Oh,
there's no
process
problem
siya.
with back.
Pero okay na daw ngayon.
No problem.
No
with
problem.
May
shoulder.
pad na daw dyan.
Dito na nagkakaroon daw ng ano.
No,
Yung here.
Yeah, dyan.
Yes.
it's
Parang
here.
Okay.
And the muscles here.
Ano to, pasa? Ano
It-
nangyari dito?
No,
Luya.
that's
Luya? Ginger.
Ginger, yeah.
Okay.
But it feels as though someone has cut a couple of millimeters, cut the tendons and
Parang feeling yan, may
couple,
napupulit na tendons.
couple of millimeters off and reattached it.
Mm.
So therefore, any time, I mean, if I go like that, I can
Feel
feel
tension.
tension.
Pero
Right.
nag-stretch daw.
Also, because of the nerves, bottom of the feet, they like tiny pins and needles. I think.
Okay, tingling sensation.
Yes.
Pagka ginaganon niya raw,
But that is
meron
their-
doon needles na mga
Yeah.
parang ano.
That's their
Ayun, tingling sensation yun. Pero yun nga, connected yan lahat sa lumbar.
Oo.
Connected lahat sa lumbar yan. Pero syempre, mas the best sana kung makikita natin yung files niya. Wala siyang files. Pero, ang mahalaga, isa kasi sa pinakabatayan ko, nakaka ano ka, nakakaano siya. Subukan natin. Subukan ko po yung best ko. Ha? I'll do my very, very best. Okay?
Okay. What's I saw a physio in the UK,
Yes.
and what he believes is I'm waiting on an X-ray to come back from the doctor to make sure there's
May
nothing
X-ray
wrong
siya, di ba?
with the bones, right?
Mm.
And what
Bone density or what?
no, just
X-ray only.
X-ray, just
Okay.
X-ray. And what the physio thinks is that
What is the final diagnosis to you?
the well, what he said is you got the nerve the
Okay.
nerve, and you got the coating of the nerve,
Impingement.
and it's not there's no lubrication and it's not moving.
Oh, okay.
So what happens is when the nerve is
Parang
the
tuyo
coating's supposed to remain there, but it comes along with the nerve, therefore there's pain. So
Hindi siya
what he said was
bumubulas, no?
deep,
Naglalaks siya.
what he said was deep tissue massage, but he's only going to prepare to do that after the doctor says there's no problem
Okay.
with the
Let
nerves.
let me handle. Okay, my friend?
Mhm.
I'll do my very, very best.
Yep.
So, sit down only.
Sit down.
Sit down first, okay?
Yeah.
Relax. Don't be afraid. Okay? Relax. 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 One more, other side. One more. Okay. Hoy, angat mo nga si sir. Sa? Relax. Okay, thank you. Okay. Lay down side. Lay down sideward.
What,
Lay down.
Lay
Lay
down,
down.
right.
Side. Sideward.
side that hurts or the side that doesn't hurt?
Here.
This way.
Okay, this way. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry because my English is very little.
and so the other thing.
Only
Yeah,
88
no, it's-
syllables.
you would see that if I cross my leg,
Okay.
my leg,
It feels hurt?
no, well, no, this leg,
Mm.
this leg can go all the way up to here, no problem, right?
Okay. The other side.
This leg.
Yun, okay.
Right there.
Nagigets ko na. Unti-unti ko na nagigets kasi baka doon naman tayo matungo sa femur head. Femur head. Yun dito yan, oh.
Also,
Ito. Ito ang femur head.
Ano
Femur neck, buong femur shaft.
Hawak mo.
Dito yun sa singit. Kaya sabi niya kanina, di ba, parang may na...
Heated na.
Oo, pag ginaganyan ko, parang nagkakaroon ng traction dito, parang na...
Hanggang
Nagkakahatak-hatak.
sa niya.
Sige. Gawa natin ang paraan. Ang mahalaga nakakaganon siya, oh. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya severe.
Pag nakahiga lang talaga siya, master.
Okay, relax. Bilihan mo siya ng ano, parang naka-elevate yung tulugan niya. Yung parang sa ano, yung parang kapag ano, yung pang ospital, hindi sa nakaganon. Pwede mong palitan.
Ano kasi yan, for opisina, maghapon nakaupo. Meron niya silang dinadala yung ano niya sa likod.
Sa likod may pang support siya.
Para
Parang
siya ano ba, may...
Recliner.
Oo, hindi lang. Matigas lang naman siya, parang
Relax.
helmet na matigas. Para matuwid lang daw yung likod niya.
Okay. Face down, my friend. In this position, you feel numbness, tingling,
No,
pain?
fine.
No? It's good?
Yep, it's
Okay, good. Kasi pagka may nararamdaman siya irritation, patitihayain ko siya para hindi siya masaktan. Kasi ino-obserbahan ko pa eh, hindi kami talaga 100% magkaintindihan. Medyo islang
Ang
yung
ano lang kasi niya talaga mas pag nakahiga na siya, doon na talaga siya ang buong gabi, hindi na siya makatulog. Kailangan galawin daw yung paa niya.
Dito nga sa may ano.
i-extray natin siya ngayon.
Ayun,
Pa-x-ray mo yung femur neck niya. Femur neck. Kamo, femur.
Ito yung palo kasi.
Femur.
Saan
Face
yung
up, my friend. Femur kamo.
Femur?
O, femur.
Femur.
Right side. Femur right side. Ito yung femur. Femur head.
Oh, femur.
Femur head and femur neck.
Bugis bone.
Baka makitaan kasi natin siya ng ABN. What is ABN? Nagkakaroon ng ribaba ito. Yung ibig sabihin. Sige, open nyo po yung video nyo, wala pong problema. ABN para alam nyo rin yung itatype nyo.
Sulat mo na lang, master.
A, Victory, N. Apple, Victory.
May susulat pa kayo?
National.
Hindi na, may request, wala.
Hindi po kami nagagano ng request. Hindi po
Kami
yung...
lang ang ano.
Relax lang ha.
Sige po, mamaya.
Yun po yung tinatawag na avascular necrosis. Pero hopefully ano pa lang, mild pa lang. Kasi nakakaano pa siya, nakakatakbo pa siya eh. Kasi ang may ABN, hindi mo na kayang gumanito ng todo. Pero pag nagsisimula pa lang, nagkakaroon ng contraction sa ano mo, parang may pumipigil sa singit mo na hindi mo mawari. Relax. Yun. Ma'am, ang mararamdaman nito, ma'am, mas magaan kumpara kanina. Yan ang may papangako, pero hindi pa siya mag-perfect. Tutulungan pa natin siya ng exercise.
Binigyan na siya ng doktor.
If I do like this, you feel faint? No.
No,
Okay.
it just feels
What?
more,
Tension.
as you do it, it feels more tension is coming on.
If I do like this, more tension coming? No.
It's
But it's okay. Even
it's okay. It's not
Just tell
painful.
me if you feel too much pain, ha?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yun nga ang gusto niya, yung ginaganyan-ganyan. Para malisto yung
Kasi-
niya.
Kaya ko ina-advance na, siyempre, sakit na pala siya eh. Baka, bakit ko pa itutuloy? Para alam ko yung
Gusto nga niya
magiging
yung
ano.
dinidig.
Kasi kinakapa ko pa talaga yung ano niya eh.
Oo.
Yung main problem niya, iba-iba eh. Doon sa balakang, pag ganito.
Mm.
Pero napipil ko parang dito sa femur neck and femur head eh.
Mm.
Normally, when you put a hot compress,
Okay.
hot compress on it, it feels a lot better.
It's a lot better.
Nagiginamaan
Okay.
siya.
But then what happens is that
If you move.
it cools down. As it cools down,
Okay?
it starts getting a bit more painful. So the hotter it is,
Pag nawala na yung ano,
Yun nga eh.
pag nawala na yung init, eto tumatagal yung init itong paw. So, obserba mo siya, siyempre magkasama kayo sa bahay. Obserba mo siya pagka naahaplusan siya ng paw. Tanungin mo kung
Dami ko na nga pang plus doon. May healing.
natin.
May healing galing, may hanga, may ano pa yun. Basta may mga
Okay, relax ha. Relax. Sige, relax. Give me, relax. Okay, relax. Just let you feel hurt a little bit.
straining. Yeah.
Okay, just relax. Let me. Relax. I'm just stretching. Relax. Okay. Relax. Okay, one more. Thank you.
See, once heard with daddy.
Hindi, gusto kong i-release yun dun sa amin. Normal lang yun, magkakaroon ng tension kasi nga nag-aatakan.
Rated, oo.
Oo, nag-aatakan. Pero syempre, kailangan kong
I-release mo.
Mm.
Yun nga
Need
ang
to
gusto niya.
release.
ipapahinga. Kasi once na maglalabanan kami, yung lalo mag-iipon yung tension. Kaya hindi ko na may paliwanag na gusto kong hayaan mo na masaktan ka ng konti. Sige, masaktan ka ng konti. Oo, papahinga ka ulit. Para
Mas rated
kumalma.
din. Okay.
Binigyan na nga siya ng doktor ng gaya na exercise daw ang isa sa gagawin niya yung paalam.
Okay, relax. Dito nga, sa femur. Baka
Yan ang gusto niya, ginaganyan siya,
baka
master.
ibigin ito.
Gusto niya, ginaganyan ko siya. Hindi man pwede magdamag, maganyanan kami.
Hindi naman ano. Pero ma'am, ano to nga ma'am, kaya nga nang sinasabi niya. Kaya pala, pagka pinipilit niyang i-stretch, nagkakaroon ng traction dito.
Parang nahatak daw.
Oo.
May binat daw, may mga banat.
Pa-x-ray niyo tong femur niya para malaman natin. Hindi naman yan matatawag na ano. Kasi kung fracture talaga yung femur neck nito, hindi na makakaganon-ganon to. Baka nagsisimula lang yung ano niya. Nagsisimula yung ABN. Pero kailangan maging ano kayo ron ha. Kasi serious din yun, ABN na yun. Baka kailangan niya ng mga vitamins sa mga ano, mga collagen.
May vitamins naman daw siya. Eh sabi ko nga ano ka kaya, mag-neurobion. Eh ayaw rin naman yan dahil baka daw marupok rin yung doktor.
What has happened today now, if I finish the stretching or the therapy,
Yeah.
the pain like this, example like this, ha, you feel like
Lessen.
yes,
Lessen.
lessen the tension. That is good. But the pain is like this, it creates more. It means I'm wrong. But if you feel the tension is like this, going loosen and loosen, that's normal.
It loosens. And then what happens is, in X number of hours,
Okay.
it'll come back.
Why? Because
It's all
Because
stretched
if
and then
you-
yeah.
if you walk too much or it create tension to your muscle, nerves, ligaments. That's why you feel irritation inside.
Okay.
Because maybe your femur neck or femur head and the acetibular root or acetibular cartilage there inside, maybe it's broken.
It's not 100%.
Yes.
It's not spherical. Like
Yes.
it's not, you get a ball,
But-
socket.
But the ano ba yun yung tawag doon, yung remedy, hatakin mo yung paa niya. Pagka nagkakaroon ng tension, hatakin mo yung paa niya sa pusan mo ng pao. Ganito.
Hilahin lang.
Ganito. Nakahiga kayo, pumunta ka dyan.
Oo.
Safe to. Pitikin mo lang gano'n. Huwag yung sobrang laki. Ganyan, oh. Tutunog siya eh. Oh, stand up, my friend. Walk and observe.
Mas ko lang eh.
How do you feel? It's better or it's going worse? Good?
It's
Pag naglakad kasi siya, wala na, parang wala daw problema.
Hindi dun sa ano, yung sa tension dun. It's good or...
You feel the tension that of your hip. If
there's a
there is
bit
something,
less
It's less.
tension
Okay.
there, right?
Sit down, my friend. Do like this. Do like this. Every day, that's your exercise, ha?
Like that.
1, 2, 3. Okay? Hold it. 1, 2, 3. So,
hold it firmly.
pag na-i-stretch kasi yan, gumaganda yung ano. Yung, tapos, oh, you can do like this before, but
See, even
Okay.
doing it, I can't actually do it without.
ano, nakalak doon, oh. Nakalak doon sa ano, yun nga, baka nga sa ABN yung ano niya, problem niya. So, hindi siya kasi ma-address basta-basta, kailangan yan, kumbaga, i-maintain ng ano, i-maintain talaga ng ano. Pag nagki-create na ka ng more tension, hatakin mo lang.
Okay.
Marirelease na yung mga mararamdaman niya.
Yun nga, hindi ko
Pag
alam
full
ano
pressure
ano.
na, pag full pressure na, sabihin mo sa kanya, lay down. Takay mo, tapos pusan mo ng pao dito. Tapos day by day, you stretch like this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Kailangan yung maalagaan ng stretching yan kasi ano yan, maglalak yan.
Yun nga sabi ng doktor daw sa UK na talagang kailangan niya ng exercise na may pinapasunod sa kanya, may
Mhm.
video na yun daw ang gagawin niya, mga maganyan daw siya araw-araw, ganyan.
Yun nga, sa akin, ganito lang. Very simple lang.
Oh, yun,
1,
like,
2, 3.
yung doctor in UK, daddy, si
How
give
many
you a
times?
video to follow, right? The
3 counts, 3 repetition. Okay? It creates
1,
pain
2,
or no? It's good? Okay, yun lang yung stretching yan. Kasi susunod kasi yan, bababa na yan pagka hindi niya naman, no? Kasi nagkaroon na ng lock dito sa side eh. Hindi ko pwedeng ipilit, baka maputol ko yung ano niya, femur neck. Yun po ang totoo.
1, 2, 3. Then,
Kasi syempre,
3
kailangan
times.
muna, pag naiangat niya na ganyan, good walk. Tapos nga ma'am, pag nagkaroon ng pressure, hatakin mo lang.
Okay.
Okay?
The only pain that comes about is when you do that, right? And as it goes down, just here a little bit.
A little bit.
Pain.
Okay?
Yeah.
Bingin pa, Roy. Pag a little bit lang, okay na yun. Kumbaga, yun na yung pinaka-trauma. Pero pag too much pain, hindi pwede. A little bit, ha?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is pau liniment. So, you can buy and use.
Yeah.
If you feel more tension to your hips
Mhm.
or to your legs,
Just stretch it.
put pau.
Mhm.
Just simply massage medium type like this.
Okay.
No hard, ha?
Mhm.
Like this, medium,
Mhm.
soft to medium. Okay ma'am, for the meantime yun, alalayan mo lang ng ganun. Pero pag hindi nyo kaya, syempre, iba pa rin yung may knowledge sa ano. Pag talagang nahihirapan siya, kasi pag habang lumalayo yung kunyari, naglakad kayo, nag-malling kayo, dun din nagke-create. Pero, ganun pala, kunyari, nag-mall kayo. Ganun niya lang yan, oh.
Kaya nga, imbis na
1,
pagmulot
2,
siya,
3.
yun na lang.
Ganun lang, tapos pau. Kung kayo ay maglalakad, mas the best yan pag nag-swimming kayo eh. Ganun-ganunin niya.
Sa tubig.
Oo, sa tubig. Parang nag-exercise sa tubig. Inat-inatin yan sa tubig.
Kaya nga, pag balakas na
Sabi, paliwanag ka sa
siya, ay tabing dagat, sabi ko palakarin ko siya doon sa dagat.
Yung, di ba may mga may mainit na part sa dagat?
Oo. Mainit
Yun.
naman talaga yung dagat.
O yung ganun mo siya, stretch.
Pero no need ba i-hot compress?
Pwede, makakatulong din yun. Makakatulong din. Pero pauna lang, mas maganda. Yung hot compress kasi, pag hindi mo rin matansya, manipis tong
Kaya
ano
ngayon,
natin.
ano rin ako,
Maluto yung balat
maluto
niya.
yung balat niya.
Manipis yung balat niya, oh.
Eh,
Paputi
sabi ko,
pa.
hindi naman
Nila.
palagi.
Pagka yung hot compress, mali ka ng...
Oo.
Kaya sobrang init nung
Minsan nga, umaaray.
nilagay mo sa ano, mapapaso ka.
Mapapaso.
Eh, ang pao, excuse, umiinit yan. You feel better?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.